very red.
What? Hold on. Do mommy know that you're using that?
No.
No?
Look. It's red. Pretty red.
Okay. I would advise you just be careful of the amount that you're using, okay?
Okay.
Because mommy's gonna notice and she's gonna ask who is using it. And don't be saying daddy. Okay?
Don't say daddy.
Don't say daddy use because daddy don't have no hair on his head.
No, wait, what if I actually did it and your hair was too smooth?
What? What?
Come here, boy. Come here, boy.
Oh, it's my ring.
You guys, you are married.
I'm married, right?
You're to a 55-year-old lady.
I'm to a 51?
55-year-old lady.
I'm married to a what?
55-year-old lady. You are.
Wow.
Are you gay?
Yeah. The sister is making me choke, man. Because I'm what?
Because you're married to a 55-year-old lady.
Yeah. So is that lady your guy's mom?
Yeah.
You love your mom?
I'm back up that.
What happened?
I'm done.
You done? What you doing?
I want to get a walk.
You want to go for a walk? It's too cold out there, Pops.
I'm not.
Mm.
Dad, get up.
What are you guys doing in my studio? Huh? So what is somebody, Alex is watching Peppa Pig. What's this? She's doing your dressing also. And what you doing? You're gonna look over my lamp. Come on, look over it more. So now you're watching Peppa Pig.
Yeah.
And what's that you're doing?
Doing my dog's hair.
Doing your dog's hair. So why you have to come in my studio with it?
Because you have a computer.
Okay, wow, that's a good answer. Hey, be careful the chair tilt over with you, man.
Yeah. I want to go in my car.
You want to go in your car?
Yeah.
We cannot get no car right now. The guys are out there power washing the house, so you're gonna have to wait.
I'll use this pen. Like, no.
Yeah.
But we did the beat in the time. I don't.
Or when they finish. When they finish, we can go out there, alright?
What are they doing?
They're power washing the house.
Wow. Oh, because of us?
There's green algae, something like that. Yeah. I don't like how you guys are getting too comfortable in my studio, man.
Why?
Because you're just getting too comfortable. You're watching cartoons on my computer and you're doing hairdresser work on my desk. You got juice on my desk. You got juice on my desk. Sitting in my chair. What are you doing in my chair, bro? What are you doing in my chair, bro? Yo.
Yeah, doing little cute buns.
Doing what?
Little buns. Bye-bye.
Hey.
Huh?
Be careful, mind the chair tilt, Max. Yeah. Is that Peppa Pig?
Yeah. You just have to say Peppa Pig. You just have to type in Peppa Pig.
Okay.
I dare you.
Look how you lick down my picture, man.
You knocked it down?
Yeah, when he was bouncing on the table.
Huh? Let me begin.
No, I got it. I'll take care of it. Don't worry, sir.
Why?
You good?
It's bomb.
It's wrong.
What's that?
It's your orange. I eat it.
What's that?
Oh, it's my ring.
You guys, you are married.
I'm married, right?
You're 50 to a 55-year-old lady.
I'm to a 51.
55-year-old lady.
I'm married to a what?
55-year-old lady. You are.
Wow.
Are you gay?
Yeah. The sister is making me choke, man. Because I'm what?
You're married to a 55-year-old lady.
Really?
Yeah.
So is that lady your guy's mom?
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, so I came in here to do some editing, and this is what I found. Yeah. Yeah. I don't get it. There's one right there. Yeah. So I'm gonna let them do their thing until when they finish I can come and do
No, you're
my
not.
editing.
We're never gonna leave.
What?
We're never gonna leave.
You're never gonna leave? Yeah, that guys, they're never gonna leave. Hey, I'm gonna check outside and see what the guys are doing with the power washing. I'll be back. Papa, turn on the tab. Okay. Alright, later.
No.
Later, I'm gonna check on the guys outside.
No, we can't check on them.
No, cause it's cold out there. Wow, that's nice. Let me see. Wow.
It's a little messy on
It's
the
a
back.
little messy on the back. Okay.
See?
So what did you use to get it so smooth in the back?
I use jam. Let me show you guys. It's very
What? Hold on. Do mommy know that you're using that?
no.
No?
Look. It's red. Pretty red.
Okay. I would advise you just be careful of the amount that you're using, okay?
Okay.
Because mommy's gonna notice and she's gonna ask who is using it. And don't be saying daddy. Okay?
Don't say daddy.
Don't say daddy use because daddy don't have no hair on his head.
No, Dad. Wait, what if I actually did it and your hair was so smooth?
What? What?
Come here, boy. Come here, boy. Stop.
What?
I'm gonna give you a spa.
A spa?
Yes. We need to just get some fixing your hair out.
I love Maxi Room. Maxi Room feels so comfortable.
What about mine? Hey,
No.
that's nothing.
I like both rooms. Your room, the window that is, I love sitting at the window that catches the sun when it comes up in the morning.
Oh, the one on next to the bed?
Yeah, and Maxi room, I like to sit in it when the sun is setting. Yeah.
And it's very cozy.
Yeah, I just love the vibes.
So just stay there. Now let me go get a bonnet.
A what?
A bonnet.
A bonnet to do what?
To catch up your hair.
She's gonna catch a bonnet to put on my bald head. Wow.
Let's just use this one since I hardly ever use it.
Okay.
It doesn't have almost fingers. Go.
Alright.
There. If you had more hair, it would be popping up like that.
Okay.
Okay, let's go get some.
Some what? She's gonna get some moisture what? You gonna get some moisturizer?
I got all of these.
You're gonna put all of that in my head, Alex?
Yeah. Let me go get a popsicle.
You're gonna get a pop? No, we're not doing all of that. No.
No, it's not gonna be a lot.
Hey, I was just sitting here.
Eating pork.
It's not pork, it's brown stew chicken. Even though mommy tell us that she don't want us to be eating in the room, but she's not here right now. So when the cats are well, mice will play. So what is that? What kind of concoction are you mixing up?
This is gentle skin cleanser. It'll make your It makes your skin very, very moist, very, very soft. Look at it.
Okay.
Okay. Mommy's gonna look so. You're gonna look so amazing. You see if you look like you're on a spa.
Oh, seriously?
I didn't know how to do it. That's smooth. Oh, your face is gonna look so moisturized.
Oh, yeah.
Yep. If we had aloe, it would have been better.
Aloe vera?
Yeah.
Yeah, the aloe vera is good.
Yeah. Bit more?
Yeah, Max around there.
Yeah. Oh, your face is feeling so soft. Okay. Now let's get
It does?
some.
It does look smooth already.
Yeah, it feels so too. You can feel it if you want to.
So what is that now?
Lotion.
Lotion?
Yep. To go on your eyebrows.
To go on my eyebrows?
Yeah. You don't really need to stretch your skin.
Okay. So what's up with the bonnet? Okay.
Well, we're gonna take it off soon anyway.
Okay.
Your eyebrows a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
You're shaving it?
Yeah, no. Okay.
Is that the computer running or is that Max tablet?
The computer ready.
So why are you blasting? You are blasting the computer and Max is blasting his tablet. Like, how are you guys able to hear anything, man?
I don't know. You need to take off all of that lotion. Get some Vaseline to put on your lips.
Put in Vaseline? Yeah, it does feel like it's cracking now. That's a lot though.
No, it is not.
Yeah.
Oops.
Mm.
I'll take that.
Quite like a go through.
Good. Now we can take your body off. Yeah. Bald headed time. It's time for the cutting the lotion. Oh my god, I think I put too much. Daddy, remember sometime where we just get the lotion and then we just put it all over your head?
Mm-hmm.
I might need to get more lotion.
I need to get more lotion.
I'll go get.
Why are you getting more lotion? So isn't this enough?
And now we're gonna do this one. Your face is gonna look so amazing. Since you're gonna go outside right now, I have to take it off. I'm sorry for have to doing this.
Okay.
Dada. I'm sorry for doing this thing. You have to go outside right now.
Yeah.
Hey, you have to go outside right now.
Oh no, finish it up and that's it then.
Okay. I don't want you to look like a grandpa.
You look nice though. I look so young and rejuvenated. Papa, what's up?
What does rejuvenated
I
mean?
look young and fresh and something like that.
Oh, like juvenile?
Yeah.
I want to get a walk.
You wanna go for a walk?
Yeah.
You wanna go for a walk?
Might be able to.
You don't see me doing getting my nice fresh up.
Ew, mine can smell like she doo-doo.
You do it up, Papa?
No?
Yeah.
And Michael.
In your car? We're not doing no car right now. The guys are outside washing their hands.
Me too.
You wanna see?
Really, I want to see too.
Okay, give me a second.
I think you're done now.
I'm done now?
Yeah, you're done.
Okay.
So let me just fix your mustache.
Did you turn off the tablet?
No. No.
But now we're done.
You done?
Yep.
Okay, nice. Let me see, Papa. You
Now
like
we
it?
can go downstairs and see them power washing the house. We haven't even went downstairs.
Okay,
Actually, we
alright.
didn't even go downstairs.
Yeah, Papa, what's up? Go and look.
Yeah.
Look nice and fresh, right?
Let me do.
You want to go walk?
Yeah.
You want to go walk? Yeah.
I see the power wash on Bill's grass.
Okay.
The power washer.
The machine is on the on his grass.
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna go over there. I don't think they asked him for permission. So what I'm gonna do?
They don't look like they're asking for permission.
I'm gonna go talk
They
to
just
him
have it right on his grass.
on his grass.
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna go and talk to him.
I'm coming.
Can we come, please?
Okay, put on your jacket. Put on your jacket. Put on a long. Put on something warm. Put on a long pair of
Daddy.
socks.
Daddy,
Yeah,
let me going.
we're gonna look and see what the guys are doing. You wanna come?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
Daddy.
Yeah.
Daddy.
Yeah. All right, guys. Thanks for tuning in one more time. Alex Robinson TV.
Welcome back to Alice and my.
Have a good one, guys.